Jenny from Sew Confident here, and today I want to talk to you about 3 reasons why you need to come to Sew Confident and learn how to sew. Reason number 1 is you'll meet so many cool people, lots of crafty new friends, you can go to the pub with them, you can come here with them, brilliant, tons of pals. Reason number 2 is sewing really helps you de-stress. So if you've had a crap day at work or your home life's bonkers, then sewing really chills you out. Reason number 3 is you get to make so much cool stuff, such as little quilted makeup bag with pom-pom, love it. A little crocheted tub, lovely. Actual plant pot, keep going, they're so cool. Tote bags with hand embroidery. Wintry wear, this is a knitted headband, how cool is that? Underwear, your own bras, fantastic. Cushions with piping and with zips in the beginner's class. Lampshades. These are just a couple of things that we do in class. You have to come and sew with us.